Hello guys!
Hello, welcome to a new chapter, personal growth, and today we will be studying good and bad habits.
That's the last topic for the week number 2, and then the next video we're going to start week number 3. So, what are some things you like that are probably bad for you?
So everybody likes to eat French fries, but we all know that French fries are not very healthy.
Not good for the belly.
Not good for the belly at all.
No. So what is your bad habit? I think all of us has at least 3 or 4 bad habits in the daily life. So try to write it down on your notebook. For the purpose?
So today we will be learning about good and bad habits, and we will be showing time manners appropriate to the occasion and accessing internet to search information effectively together with the terms related to habits from learning sources and present them through writing.
Okay, let's jump to the vocabulary.
So the first word is habit. Habit. Habit is something that you do every day without thinking, and it could be good or it could be bad.
Okay, the second is regularly. Regularly. So it's something that you do often. It's like a synonym from habit. So regularly do sport.
Number 3 is manner. Manner. So manner is how you behave with people. So if you give respect to elders, those are good manners. If you shout at people, those are bad manners.
Okay, the second last is disrespectful. Disrespectful. That's the opposite from respectful. So if you, let's say in the classroom and you kick the teacher or you're gonna insult the teacher or comrade, that's disrespectful.
And occasion. Occasion. Occasion means an event, or like when you have sports day, that is an occasion, or when you have Songkran, it's a festival, that is an occasion.
Yes. Very well. Let's jump to the work mode. So a habit, like we say, is a noun. So it's something you do regularly, sometimes without realizing you are doing it. So here's some example. We said before. I'm not really in the habit of watching TV.
Yeah, many people don't watch TV. That's a very good habit. Or I always buy the same brand of toothpaste out of habit. You go to 7-Eleven, you see the color, that's the one you always buy.
Yes. Yeah. And the last one, he has a habit of picking his noise when no one is looking. That's also a habit.
Habit, yeah. So think about what habits you have. What is it that you do? Maybe people play with their phones. Maybe people rub their eyes without knowing. Yeah.
Yes. Or bully can also be a habit. It's a bad habit. Okay. So here, a little exercise. You can use the internet and find 5 things each which show good and bad habits.
Right.
So it can be everything very random.
So good habit can be if you wake up early morning. Yeah, that is a good habit. Bad habit is when you play the computer at night. Yeah.
Or throw garbage on the roads.
Yeah.
So 5 good and 5 bad. So you can write this in a notebook and then bring it back to the school whenever. So why is daily exercise a good habit?
Yeah. Exercise is good for the mind, exercise is good for the heart, and it keeps you healthy.
Yes. So things like playing football, playing with friends, or running is good for your heart and your mind. It keeps you healthy and happy. So you can write in a notebook what activities you do outside, like soccer or running or other sport. You can write this on a notebook. So here we have 2 sides. We have the good habits and the bad habits.
So meditation is a good habit. books is a good habit, but playing the computer at night is bad. Even drinking beer on your desk is a very bad habit.
Yeah, for me, it's one that I use a lot. Bad habit: eat late time.
Oh, that's not very good.
And sleep also very late.
Okay.
And you have a good habit?
Yeah, I like to meditate every morning. Yes. And I try to drink as much water as I can.
Oh, very good. Yes.
Good habits. Yes.
So other exercise. Here you have a picture. You can see here a lady does something. Here we have the first answer already. So try to find here for every case what are they doing. So you can pause the video and we give you the answer later. Try to find what are they doing, if it's good or bad. Welcome back to the video, and then here the answers. So here, do remove your shoes. Smile. Don't lose your cool.
Don't get angry.
Yes. Don't touch someone's head. It's very impolite here. Don't point.
Yes, don't point.
Don't point. Don't throw things. And the last one, do use a spoon. So I think this one is more, depends the meal and depends the country. Because in my country, we use more the fork than the spoon. Okay. Second exercise. So we have here 12 pictures and 12 sentences. So your goal is to complete all the pictures with the sentences.
So I'll give you one hint here.
Wow.
So here it says, wash your hands before meals. So look for the picture and you can tell that number 2 is wash your hands before meals. So you take this and you write it here and you can draw the drawing in your notebook.
Yes.
Okay.
So again, you can pause the video and make the exercise as long as you need. And then you can bring it back to the school. Okay. Here, about Thailand, the Thai manners. So what is the good habit in Thai culture? I know one, it's like to make the Y.
Do
you know?
Yes, it is always, you always ask the teacher, may I please come inside, please?
Yes.
Before you come inside. So that is something that you should do in school. And the next question is, what is the action that is disrespectful to do in Thailand? So think about that as well.
Try to find 5 good and 5 bad things to do here in Thailand. Okay, let's go to the thinking tool, PMI. So the P, you're gonna put your good habits. So here's the example, I help my mom cleaning every day.
The minus, write your bad habits. So I am always on the phone. That's a very bad habit. And last is interesting. How can you change your bad habits? So you should always do some activities which are good for you, like reading books.
Yes. So find 5 plus, 5 minus, and 5 interesting to do. Okay. And again, A4 paper to bring it back to school. So what are some good habits you would like to have? Maybe you wish some, but you don't do it now.
I would like to be able to get up more early.
Oh, me too.
Yeah. And I would like to stop watching television at night as well. So yeah, those are some good habits I would like to start practicing.
Yes. So think about yourself, what you will change in a daily life. Okay, and let's summarize the lesson again. So like ever, write the vocabulary in the notebook, in English, and then in Thai.
And also write what you have learned during the lesson in your notebook, and finish the PMI exercise on A4 size paper.
Yes. So that was for week number 2. We will see for video number 9 with a new topic. And since then, enjoy.
Take care.
Bye bye.